welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade mouthwash. This is quite a easy recipe. It does just have 5 ingredients. These are probably all things that you have at home. A couple of the ingredients are optional. We'll leave you the list of what we're using just in the next slide, so you can screenshot that if you do want to make this yourself. First thing I'm going to do is measure out my water. So just off camera, just boiled our kettle, and I'm going to measure up 500 ml. That. So just plain boiling water, and then in this bowl, so I've just got my salt. I'm using Himalayan sea salt here, my cinnamon, which is optional, and this side my cloves. So they're all in there, and I'm going to pour my water over that and take a spoon just to help incorporate it. I'm going to keep my jug just off to the side because I will use that again in a minute, and all of my salt and everything is incorporated. Your spices will sink to the bottom, so don't worry about that. It does look a bit like gravy. And then the next thing I'm just going to add in is my peppermint extract. So I'm going to add my peppermint extract now. And I'm going to give that a stir again. So I'm going to pop my mixture there, and then I'm going to bring my jug back, and on top of my jug I'm just going to pop a little sieve just so this can catch the majority of the bits. Pour our mixture through the sieve. And at this stage it just help to use your teaspoon just to pop the mixture through. I'm going to pour in the last bit. So I've just washed off my large spoon and give that a stir again. And then now's the time to pop it into your storage container. So I'm using a glass bottle here that I've already used. It was an old medicine bottle. I've just used one of my homemade labels to put mouthwash on it. And then I'm going to transfer it into this very carefully. And then that's it. So it's all in there. While the mouthwash has filled the bottle. And I'm going to leave that to cool just off to the side, and then I'll use that tomorrow morning. So what I like to do is use just over a capful and rinse that out. So if you didn't want to use the cinnamon and cloves, that's totally fine. Just use the peppermint and the salt and the water. Thank you for watching how to make your own homemade mouthwash, and that does pair nicely with the DIY toothpaste tabs that I've made. We'll leave the link to watch that video down in my description if you haven't already seen it. Please don't forget to give it a like, it really does help my channel out, and you can also subscribe for free. You click up here to do that, and you can check my previous video just over here. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!